Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position, white to move and deliver checkmate in just 2 moves. And the queen is pinned, you have to deliver checkmate within 2 moves, otherwise it wouldn't be considered as solving the problem. So you can pause the video and guess the move. Best of luck. Okay, welcome back. So we would like to capture the queen and deliver checkmate like this. So if the king moves, this is going to be just checkmate, but the problem is there we just made 3 moves, right? One, two, and three, and there is a checkmate in two, right? So this is not solving the problem. So what other options do we have? If we capture the queen with our queen, it's going to be the same thing. We have to play at least 3 moves, right? And this is not considered solving the problem. So what other options do we have? How about playing the queen to a8? What about queen to a8 check? Well, again, black is going to skip this way, and now you have a couple of ways to checkmate, but it doesn't matter. It's not going to be checkmate in two. So what is the move then? Well, the only move is to play rook to b6, because we are going to deliver checkmate on the next move anyway, right? So after this move, it doesn't matter what black plays. Black can make a queen move or a king move, but it doesn't really matter because we are going to deliver checkmate. So if black moves the king, we are going to play queen to a8, and it's a checkmate. And if black plays a queen move, it doesn't matter where the queen moves, it cannot capture the rook because the queen itself is pinned, right? So that is the idea, and that is actually rook to b6 is the only move, because if we play the other move, it doesn't work, because now black would play king to a2 and we don't have checkmate. So this is pinned. Obviously we have to play queen to a8, but since there is no rook blocking the access, the queen actually can block the check, and this is checkmate in 3. So this would be not solving the problem. So this is actually not the correct move. Instead, rook to b1, b6, and then it does actually, according to black's response, we are going to play the move. So this is going to be checkmate. Now the queen cannot block because of the rook. So this is the solution of the puzzle. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.